Hi guys, Sajjad Hussain again with a new video. In this video, I am going to present you the design of a steel structure. Maybe you have seen this steel structure before in one of the videos. I designed this industrial structure. Now I am going to present you the steel auto drafter, which is part of the STAAD family. Now here is let us run first, because that is necessary to have a fresh run. Okay, now I will go to steel auto drafter. Now you can see this is the window for steel auto drafter. Here I am going to add view drawing list, and I am going to add the drawings over here. So the type of drawings available are plan, section along Z, X section along Z, then plan projection, then YZ projection and XY projection. So let us start with plan. Plan for all grids, full section, we are going to add the drawings. So this is grid 0, and then let's have plan at 4500 and another plan at 9000, which is this level. Then let us add section along x-axis. This red axis shows x-axis, so this is the axis. So we have to see these sections. The grids available are all these listed over here, and let's add all the drawings. So in this direction we have this one and this one. There were two sections. Then section in Z direction, that means this blue axis is the Z direction. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So all these are here. So we will add all these drawings over here. So all these drawings are added. Plan projection. If we want to see the plan projection, we have to select 3 nodes. Let us select one node here, another here, and the third one over here. So we can add this plan projection. Then YZ projection. So YZ projection. So these are the 3. Let's add. Then XY projection in this direction. So let us add 1, 2 and these 3 points. Add. So all these drawings have been added. Let us draw these drawings. So these drawings are generated. This is the first drawing, which is the plan. There is nothing, only the grids. This is the plan at 4500. That means the mid beams are shown over here. Then this is at 9 meter level, that is the eave level. Those 2 beams are shown. This is the side elevation. Let us save this one as side elevation. The another one, same. This is the portal frame shown. Let us save this one also. This is the front. Let us save this one. Okay, all these drawings are like that. These are the same portal frames on different grids, no change. Now again, plan at the base, side, and here is the elevation. So you can see how easy it is to generate the drawings. Now let us see how this drawing will look in AutoCAD. Let me open AutoCAD. Let's open the file. Front. So here you can see easily, for example, this column is given a name C977. This is the mid-level beam, and this is the top level beam shown over here, and this beam is shown over here like this: V1015, 1015, 1015, 1015. Let's see the schedule of steel sections over here. 1015 is W27 by 178, and C977 is W33 by 387. These are all W shapes. And here is the MTO, total MTO shown. This is the legend. Now this drawing is not I can say IFC drawing level. You have to do some fine tuning. For example, you have to define the joints over here, so you have to rectify, and at this level also you have to define the joints, and here at the apex you have to define the joints properly. So you have to edit. It's not like a drawing which is generated and it can be released. No. And of course the base plate etc. is not part of this presentation. Quantity for connection is not included, so there is nothing shown over here. That's why it's not included. So what you have to do, it will be a good start to develop your final drawings, and good start to prepare your final BOQ, because MTO is given over here, so that will help you a lot. Now going back to our STAAD Auto Drafter, material takeoff is not generated. If you want to generate, it can be generated, but since all the information is over here and in the initial run, like in the model, we have the MTO, so there is no issue. Material can be generated. So this is a very short video which explains how to get the steel drafter used to develop your drawings. Although the drawings are not the finished IFC drawing, but it will give you a good start to develop your finished drawing. Thank you very much. Bye.